Hello, hello. I got a little tired of doing just theoretical videos about different terms and concepts in machine learning. So I'm going to try and do several actual coding videos for machine learning. But before we can do that, we need to install Jupyter notebooks. The easiest thing to do is actually install Anaconda, which comes with Jupyter and a bunch of the libraries that otherwise you'd have to install by hand through pip and whatnot. So I already, so if you go here, you can do free download and click here for Mac, and for Windows, you go to a different page. But anyway, I already have the package downloaded, so I'm going to just click on that and see how it goes. And here it goes. This package will run the program. Yep, allow that. No problem. We'll go to the installation, continue, continue. To continue installing, you must agree to terms. Sure, I agree. No problem. And install. Like to access files in the start folder, but still taking forever. Maybe I can pause this as we do this. Can we pause? Okay, that definitely took more than a minute. I think more like uh, maybe 3 minutes. Okay, there's a new version Anaconda available. No, not right now. I'm just installing. Don't show it again. That's fine. Create a new account. Okay. I'm gonna have to pause the video and create a new account. Okay, so while I pause the video, it asked me to create an account. I just allowed GitHub to give Anaconda access, read-only access to my email and profile, and that got me through. It did actually send me a verification code through email. So once I put that in, that's care, industry, whatever, doesn't really matter. Country, United States, that's fine. State, I happen to be in California, that's fine. No, I don't want to receive anything. Okay, so it got me to cloud. That's not what I wanted. So let's see if, oh, now wants to log in. Okay, sign in. Now we can probably sign in. Okay, it's not letting me do anything. Sign in, sign in. Create new account. No, I don't want to do that. Okay, so this is Anaconda Navigator. Home. What I'd like to know is how to start this darn thing. Oh, notebooks, Jupyter Lab. Let's see, cloud hosted notebook. No. Extensive environment for interactive and reproducible computing based on Jupyter Notebook and architecture. I think that's what I want. Oh, this is lab and this is a notebook. Okay, I think notebook is what I really want. Started a server on my local computer here, and now I have a Jupyter Notebook. And I believe it's, do I create? I think we create a new folder. And title, okay. Anyway, it's installed now. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can start making a new notebook and then do some stuff in it and then save it. And if needed, you can pull it back out again. So I hope this was useful. The point of this video was just to show you how to install Anaconda, which includes Jupyter Notebook, on your Mac. I will see you next time.